Hi all, Sarah Traub here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to try this StarCraft HD, which stands for High Definition Permanent Adhesive Vinyl. And so this right here is going to be your sticky sticker vinyl that you make your decals and your little monograms and your vehicle stickers and all your permanent adhesive or outdoor projects, your garden flags, your tumblers and all that kind of stuff. This is going to be what you would use for that. So this is another cool thing I really like about this product. Let me back up for a second, is that it is made in the US of A. So that's cool. It comes in a lot of different trendy colors. One of my favorites is this metallic rose gold. If you look at this, that is a beautiful rose gold. I'm excited to use that one. So I've got a couple sheets here and I cut out a little decal to stick on making a pool binder. So we're adding an above ground pool in our backyard and I wanted to, my mat is messy. So I wanted to cut a little decal to place just as a label on our binder and make it fun. So far, I cut this out. I've cut several projects with these. One of them is I used the change color cups and my son gave those away as class favors. So this right here, I'm gonna get this right here is a pin. If you do not have one of these, 651vinyl.com, you can find the StarCraft HD vinyl and you can find the pin. Pick yourself up one. Now I've glittered mine like I glitter everything in sight, so that will have to be another video for another day, but this is really great for helping to weed your vinyl. So this peels off that backing really great. I did have some kind of smaller pieces, letters and stuff on here, and I can see that cut just fine. I didn't have any issues with that. This is a 3mm vinyl, indoor outdoor use. And one thing is this release liner on it. I was reading about that. It has a silicone coated paper, so it's supposed to offer like a stronger hold and be a little bit better for weeding. So that's kind of interesting. It's nice to have new cool trendy products out there. And I love the colors of these. Got like that Tiffany teal, the pinks. And then, it has all of your standard colors, but it comes in like a glossy or like a matte finish. Now the matte finish is not like super matte. I would give it more of like an eggshell description. So I'm going to weed this out. And this right here, we are making a little binder for organization. We have like all of our pool pump and chemical kits and all that kind of stuff. We're keeping all of our little brochures and pamphlets and warranty cards and all that kind of stuff that comes, all that good stuff that never seems to find a home. We're keeping it all together in a binder and keeping that in the garage just so we have it organized. So let me get almost finished. Did a little pink flamingo pool float. I'm sure my husband and my boys will appreciate that very much on the front of our binder. So yeah, this is weeding excellent. I've not had any issues and it did really great. We've washed our cups several times, hand washed them of course, but we've washed our change color cups several times and not had any issues with like the reliability of the product, the StarCraft HD, and it's sticking. So let me get my transfer tape. Let's stick it some, oh here it is. And my binder. Over here. So this right here is the medium tack transfer tape. It's what I use for pretty much all my decals. this over here. Line it up, line it up. Let's see. There we go. I'm gonna get my squeegee. Pull this up and just trim off some of this extra transfer tape. I don't need all that around there. Make it easier to apply. And give it a little extra love. Got some little letter pieces and stuff in there. And here is my binder. Just a standard 3-ring binder. I'm just going to kind of line this up how I'd like it. Peel it off. Let's see how that comes off the backing. That came off excellent. Okay. And let's apply it to the binder. Remember to take your transfer tape and peel it flat back. Oh, now see I had a little area right here. I did not squeegee it down good. Let's go ahead and work that back down. Oh, and the little dot on the O. This is a really slick and bumpy surface. I'm probably going to take my vinyl ball to it. There we go. And I have some little waves I'm going to add to this too. So let me get these little pieces on some transfer tape. Actually, you know what? Now, this is terrible, but this is actually one of those pieces I think I can just peel and stick. Do you do this every now and then? I do it every now and then. Don't tell. This right here is StarCraft. Let me see which this is. Hold on just a sec. I think it's the DECEIT. Pull up my computer real quick. Oh, computer's going slow. Yes, this is the DECEIT Silver. So I wanted to give a little sparkle to my binder. Stick this down here, and then I'm going to squeegee it down. Nobody saw that I cheated and did not use transfer tape. Oh, see, now I'm paying for it already. Got little wrinkles. Oh well, it's just going in the garage. This is not fancy. So that's what you get for cheating and not using the transfer tape. Hee hee. Oh well, we live and learn, right? Or do we? Okay, so I am going to, oh, yeah, you know what? I am going to use transfer tape. This is a little bit too intricate for me not to use that handy dandy transfer tape. I bought it for a reason, right? Let's use it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Like butter. Like butter. Oh, I'm just out of where you can see me. There we go. Squeegee this down. I'm going to take off this excess here. And peel this off. And this right here is, let me see, this is the StyleTech 2000 Ultra Glitter in blue. That way you know all the different colors I'm using here. Cute! Yeah, this is one of those cases where I should definitely be using my vinyl ball. I'll run it over afterwards, just so at least I get it stuck down good. Okay, here's my next piece. I'm reusing the same piece of transfer tape. It's still fine for this right here. here. Let's find where we want this one. Right here should be good. Cute. I like that little bit of sparkle that added. And this right here, this DECEIT has a real reflective quality to it. So I'm picking up all the little rainbow colors in there. And this just adds a little bit of glitter. So here is the binder. Ta-da-da-da. Now I'm going to grab my vinyl ball real quick just while we're on here. Give me 2 seconds. Of course, had it the other side of the room. So this right here is my vinyl ball. And this right here just has, so some people use tennis balls, but this right here has a little bit of like a firmer, has a little give to it, so it can mush down in that texture. So if you see, I don't know if we can see how it has that texture in it now? This binder has a little texture to that clear, and this helps mush the vinyl kind of into that texture. You're just gonna roll it over the surface, and that'll just help it stick, give a little more longevity to the life of the vinyl. And it's going to go over the surface. So, and this right here, the tennis balls that people use, it has that green fuzzy on the outside of it. So that is not going to allow as firm enough pressure, and you can't really get that squoosh, that good squoosh down into these grooves. So this is a handy little tool to have around, and if nothing else, it's sparkly and fun and looks cute on my desk. So, truth be told. But I use it for little projects like this. There's some of these tumblers and stuff too that are out there people are getting. I think some of the Walmart ones that actually have a little bit of a texture, some coolers. I've heard people using it on vinyl siding, but you can just kind of see, I believe the camera will pick up on that, how it has that little bit of texture now to it where it squished it down in there. So thanks for joining me for my project. This StarCraft HD adhesive vinyl, definitely tested and approved. I would recommend it. Go out and get you some. You can purchase it at 651vinyl.com. Thanks for joining me. Bye.